So in chapter 5, we're going to talk about gases. First, we're going to talk about breathing. You ever wondered or thought about how does breathing work? And it's just something we do, right? Every day you move about 8,500 liters, that would be 25 pounds of air in and out of your lungs. Breathing is possible because you can create pressure differences. And what is pressure? Well, pressure is a force exerted over an area. So gas molecules exert pressure when they collide with surfaces. So this gas molecule collides with the surface and it exerts a force on the surface. Now, we've talked a lot about how tiny atoms and molecules are, so that force is really small. But there's a lot of these molecules and they are constantly hitting the surfaces around them. And so gases exert a pressure on their surroundings. The pressure of a gas depends on several different factors. So the number of gas particles in a given volume, we don't often think of gases as having a concentration, but the number of gas molecules in a volume is a concentration. If there are more gas molecules, there will be more pressure. The volume of the container is going to matter, and the average speed of the gas particles is going to matter. If the gas particles are moving faster, when they collide with the surface, they'll hit it harder. And because they're moving faster, they're going to run into the surfaces more frequently, and so there'll be more pressure. So when you're breathing, your diaphragm moves up and down. When your diaphragm moves down, it expands the volume of your lungs. And when you increase the volume, then the gas pressure is lower. And so you have low pressure in your lungs and the outside pressure stays the same. So the air flows into your lungs. When your diaphragm moves up, it compresses your lungs and makes the volume smaller, which increases the pressure, and that causes the air to flow out. Repeat over and over and over again. Yeah, it's just pressure differences.